Welcome, in this new video, at this moment in the video. I am glad to thank you for your presence and good viewing to T3E News channel. And for the most benefit from the content of this video, it is preferred that you watch it to the end then go to the description for more information. Let's start, my friend. Writing effective emails. What makes one email marketing business succeed, where another one fails miserably? It's not the product. It's not where or how you advertise. And it's not your price. One thing that can totally kill your results is the email that you chose to send. Nothing else is as important as having an attention-grabbing, click-getting email. That's where it all starts from. See, your email either pulls prospects and customers in, or it pushes them away. So if your email doesn't do the job, nothing else matters. Find an email that works, and your business can soar to new heights because you'll reach more of your list. But if you use the same kind of emails most email marketers do, you could easily go broke. But here's the thing. You don't have to rack your brain and test your creativity hoping to come up with a winner. Doing it this way can give you a migraine, unless you're already an experienced email writer. It's much easier to simply model previous success. And that's where this resource comes in handy. Go ahead now to description and look at the link. Best regards. If you reach this point in the video, you deserve appreciation, and here are the rewards in the link below the video. Do not forget to support us by clicking on the like button, subscribing to the channel, and activating the bell. You have all respect and appreciation, my friend.